In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Calendly API in what I believe is the best method, and we'll be able to get through it all in about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Calendly account. If you're not already familiar, Calendly is a great scheduling tool that simplifies setting up meetings and appointments by allowing others to book time with you seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you're on your way to integrating its powerful API into your applications or systems. Now, once you're in your account, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations and Apps section. You'll find this in the menu, and it's essentially your gateway to connecting Calendly with other applications. This integration step is crucial because it enables different platforms to communicate with each other, saving you time and effort in the future. As you move into the Integrations and Apps page, look for an option labeled API and Webhooks, or sometimes API and Connectors. This is where all the magic happens. APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, are like a bridge for different software programs to communicate with one another. Webhooks, similarly, are a method for a web application to provide real-time data to other apps. Both are vital components in extending Calendly's functionality and integrating it deeper into your workflows. Once you've located that API section, you're going to see an option to generate new token, or perhaps get a token. This token is essentially your access key, allowing your other applications to interact with Calendly. By clicking on this option, you will initiate the process of getting this key. Now, you'll need to provide a name for your new token. This step is crucial for keeping track of different tokens, especially if you're planning on generating multiple ones for various integrations. After you've decided on a name that makes sense for your setup, simply click on Create Token. Congratulations on getting this far. The system will then generate a new token for you. It's important to understand that this token is like a secure key to your Calendly account, so you must handle it with care. Once the token is displayed, ensure that you copy it immediately. It's generally only provided once, for security reasons, so make sure to store it in a safe and secure place. Perhaps consider a password manager or encrypted storage to keep it safe from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of using the Calendly API. With your new token, you're now ready to unlock a range of possibilities, from automating meeting setups to integrating with third-party applications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.